Hello student, welcome to Geography online classes. Here today we will discuss about the topic planning and sustainable development in Indian context. This is the introduction to planning. At first we will see what is planning. The word planning is used with reference to the process of economic development. It involves the process of thinking, formulation of a scheme or program, and implementation of a set of action to achieve a goal. Planning Commission of India was a statutory body headed by the Prime Minister of India and had a deputy chairman and members. It had been entrusted with centralized planning, and the task of planning in India was largely carried out throughout 5 year plans. The first 5 year plan was launched in 1951 and covered up to 1956. It was focused on the development of agricultural sector. Second 5 year plan covered the period from 1956 to 1961. It was focused on the development of industrial sector. Two successive drought during mid 60s, that is 1965 to 67, and war with Pakistan in 1965, forced plan holiday in 1966, 7 and 1968-69. This period was covered by annual plan, which were known as rolling plans. Now Planning Commission has become Niti Aayog, that is National Institute for Transforming India. It was established in 1st January 2015. Chairman of it PM Narendra Modi, Vice Chairman Rajiv Kumar, and CEO, that is Chief Executive Officer Amitabh Kant. Approaches of planning. There are two approaches of planning which were as follows. Sectoral planning approach. In this approach, the development of various sectors of economy, that is agriculture, irrigation, manufacturing, power, construction, transport, communication, social, infrastructure, and services, etc., are taken into consideration, to which various sets of schemes or programs are to be formalized and implemented. Next is regional planning approach. In this approach, the main emphasis is on to draw such plans which may help to reduce regional disparities and bring uniform economic development. Target area planning. The core focus of planning process is in promoting economically backward areas. It is important that for proper economic development of a region, there is a need of resource base as well as technology and investment simultaneously, because sometimes resources rich regions also remain backward. After having about 1.5 decade planning experience, it is realized that our economic development is still facing the regional imbalances. In order to encounter both regional and social disparities, the Planning Commission introduced the target area and target group approaches to planning. Some of the programs which are directed towards the development of these two approaches are as follows. Target area programs. Target area has the following programs such as Command Area Development Program, Drought Prone Area Development Program, Desert Development Program, Hill Area Development Program, Target Group Program. Now, target groups has the following programs such as the Small Farmers Development Agency and the Marginal Farmers Development Agency. Must remember. In the 8th 5 years plan, hill areas, northeastern states, tribal areas, and backward areas were taken into consideration in order to develop special area programs. It was in 1986. Planning related to area development programs, hill area development programs. It covers 15 districts comprising all the hilly districts of Uttar Pradesh, presently in Uttarakhand, Mikir Hills and North Kachar Hills of Assam, Darjeeling district of West Bengal, and Nilgiri district of Tamil Nadu. It was stated in 5th 5 years plan. It was recommended in 1981 by the National Committee on the Development of Backward Area that the hill areas having a height above 600 meter and not covered under the tribal sub-plan be treated as backward hill areas. The aims of hill area development programs are as follows. Development of horticulture, plantation agriculture and husbandry, poultry, forestry and small scale and village industry were the main objectives of the program through which exploitation and local resources may become possible. Next is the detailed plan were based on topographical, ecological, economic and social conditions of the hill areas. Thank you.